Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. In this video, you will have answers to all the questions given in the exercise of Unit 3, The Hazards of Flood. I have tried to make sure that all the answers are comprehensible and easy to learn for all of you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel if this video helps you in solving your exercise. I hope all these answers are very easy, but if you still have any confusion, you can let me know in the comments and I am always at your service. Please hit a like and share the video with your class fellows. Take care. Bye bye.